Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the YouTube channel warning strike. After watching this video, you should be able to remove the active community guideline strike. If you're new here, my name is Michael, and without further ado, let's get started. So I woke up today and I got this channel violation notification with active community guideline strike on one of my videos. So if you want to get more details about the video that is having this strike, you can click on the active community guideline strike and you're going to see the details about the warning. So here we do have the warning: your content was removed due to a violation of our community guideline. You've received the warning. You can take a policy training which will remove the warning after 90 days. And this is what happens if you get this community strike again. So if you violate this policy again within 19 days of completing the policy training, you get a strike. You won't be able to do anything like upload posts or live stream for 1 week. Below this, you're going to see the content that was removed. So one of my videos, which is how to download YouTube video thumbnail quick, was removed. And I'm going to show you what to do. The first thing you need to do is, first of all, understand YouTube community guideline policy. This is going to help you understand the kind of content that you get strike on. You can also take action by clicking on take action in the important notification section. Here you'll be able to do two things. In the get started section, you get to see a brief overview of what is really going on with the community guideline strike. You also see how it impacts your content. So you get a warning, the visibility is removed, and monetization will be ineligible. If you want to begin the review, click on begin review. I'm going to show you the video that is having the community guideline strike. Click on next, and here you'll be able to take two steps. First, you can take a policy training that is going to help you understand more about YouTube community guideline. And after 90 days of taking this training, your warning strike will be removed. Or if you feel that the content you have created doesn't breach any of YouTube guidelines, you can appeal the decision. So they're going to take a look at your content and breach a decision. So once you have appealed, you can come to the community guidelines status and click on this. And below this, you're going to see that your appeal has been submitted if you choose to appeal. Now, if your appeal was granted, you're going to get an appeal granted notification, which thanks you for your appeal. We've determined that your content, how to download YouTube video thumbnail, doesn't violate any of their community guidelines. Followed by that, you should get an appeal approval. They put your content back on YouTube and the warning or strike against your channel has been removed. Thanks for working with us to help keep the community protected. If you're sure that your content doesn't breach any of YouTube policy or guideline, then you can submit an appeal. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Do not forget to like and share this video. I hope to see you guys in my next video.